You know that feeling. It's 10 p.m. on a Sunday, and one of your key employees is messaging you. Not about a crisis, but about benefits. Hey, can you just remind me how many sick days I have left this year? Or maybe it's your own time that's draining away. As a small business owner, you are the HR department. You're drowning. You spend 60% of your time answering the same repetitive questions, processing forms, and chasing compliance paperwork. That's more than half your week dedicated to admin, not growing your business. That friction isn't just frustrating, it's costing you a fortune. We're talking about the cost of disengagement. Globally, low engagement costs the economy a staggering $8.8 trillion annually. That's your profits walking out the door. The average worker, including you, wastes over 9 hours a week just searching for internal documents and answers. The good news? The solution to this $8.8 trillion problem isn't hiring 4 more people. It's technology. It's the AI Hour Assistant, and it is here to make your workplace happier, more efficient, and, paradoxically, more human. But let's be clear, this is not the clunky, frustrating chatbot of 5 years ago. That old tech failed if you used a typo or slang. Today's generative AI uses Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. It means the agent is context-aware. It understands what you really mean, even with slang. It's 24/7 availability, meeting employees where they are, whether that's 10 p.m. on a Sunday or 6 a.m. on a Monday. Most importantly, it's secure and accurate because it pulls answers only from your company's verified internal documents. No policy hallucinations. This isn't theoretical, it's what large enterprises are doing right now. Walmart rolled out their My Assistant to over 50,000 corporate users for instant policy answers and document summarization. Hilton used an AI recruiter to automate scheduling, resulting in a 91% completion rate. Now, the question we always get, is this going to replace my team? Absolutely not. Experts agree this is the augmentation thesis. Think of AI as the master chef's food processor. It handles the high-volume prep work and the administrative grind. But only you, the owner, can handle the strategic, high-empathy tasks. The strategic value goes far beyond just Q&A. AI is a personalized GPS for your employee lifecycle. It transforms onboarding and handles daily support. It uses feedback and growth analysis, allowing you, the owner, to spot burnout before it becomes a crisis. Finally, it revolutionizes retention through predictive analytics. This isn't the future, it's happening now. The market is projected to grow at 13.8% CAGR. Generative AI users are already saving an average of 2.5 hours per week on grunt work. We are specialists in deploying custom AI solutions like our 24/7 AI Receptionist and AI Reputation Filter to automate your external communications. Now, we're launching a private beta program for our internal office agents, designed to tackle that 60% administrative burden. For a limited time, any client with an active plan is eligible at no additional setup cost. Click the link to secure your spot in the Office Agent Beta or chat with Patty, our AI mascot, to book your free initial assessment.